My name's Alan Lord. I'm with Nanjing Tech University. And a couple of thoughts. My background in, I'm not an educator, but I've spent a lot of time in training, church, and a lot in scouting. I would take about 5 to 10 minutes at the start of every one of my classes and do a PowerPoint on some topic of personal growth, leadership development, service, goals, gratitude, and to open and expand their minds and help them understand who they are. And I challenged them to be contributors in society. And so I used a lot of that and found they were very receptive, very responsive to that. Another thing that helped me in writing, that I realized that they did not take very good notes on what was expected if we gave them a writing assignment. And so early on, I would type out in detail exactly what I expected of them in the writing assignment. I would copy that, and I would give them a handout in class of that assignment. Then we would also cover it in the PowerPoint and in the discussion during the class. Every time I came back the next class period, I would also spend 5 or 10 minutes reviewing in the PowerPoint what we discussed at the last class and go over these things again. That repetition over and over and over of a same assignment that's coming up, shortly. The other last thing, many of you may have seen this or not, I don't know, it's called the Gratitude Dare. And there's 30 items on it. This was one of the best things I did all semester. And it was a at-home writing assignment where they had to do it, and I did it along with them. I said, I'm going to do it, and then we shared at the end of I gave about 40 days to do 30 of them as a writing assignment. And I had a lot of positive feedback on that. So those are a few of my